Hey everybody, welcome to RJ's Journey where Mahu can fish. I just got back last night from my Thanksgiving vacation in Portland visiting my dad. And I decided to come out this morning with my friend Craig. The weather looked really good. Today was awesome, no wind and just real glassy water. We just had a big problem and it was not being able to find bait. So my friend Craig actually ended up leaving and I ended up staying, and I finally found some opelu and I caught 5 and started trolling right after, and it was already like 2 o'clock or 1:30, 2 o'clock, and just wanted to head back in already because it was getting pretty late. And on the way back in I caught my second ono, so super stoked with this one too. Stay tuned for the video because the fight was pretty awesome. It's a beautiful Maui morning and I'm going out, so hopefully we get some luck today. I just got back from Portland visiting my dad for Thanksgiving and back in action. So stay tuned, hopefully I catch something good. All right, have a good day guys, bye. Getting close. Oh, yep. Definitely getting close. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I think it's an ono. I think it could be an ono. Oh yeah. Okay, and I really don't have any of this on my other, oh shoot, come on, come on, come on.